This iPhone setting changes how apps track you. Most users even don't know about it. So where is this setting? What is this setting? To find out, you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to go with privacy and security. Tap on it, then tap on tracking. Here you'll find an option called allow apps to request to track. Before you decide to turn it off or leave it on, let's understand what this setting is actually about. If the setting is turned on, any app can show you a message saying, do you allow us to track your activity? And if you agree, the app can track your activity across other apps and even different websites. This is most commonly used for targeted advertising. So, what happens if you turn it off? If you disable this option completely, then apps will not be able to request tracking at all, which means any app that tries to track you, you will automatically be denied. And this significantly reduces advertising tracking across apps. But there's something important you should know. This setting blocks a specific type of tracking, but it doesn't mean the app stops collecting data completely, because apps can still collect data about how you use the app. It's analyze your behavior inside the app or use data connected to your account. But the difference is they can't easily link your activity across multiple apps. So is it better to turn it on or off? If you care about privacy, it's better to keep this option turned off. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.